Hi everyone, and welcome to another episode of Ian is a Weirdo. I decided to put more energy behind that one, so I can bring more energy just to the show. So let's do day 23 of the 31 projects of Halloween, and I'm super excited about that. 23 is my favorite number because it's my birthday, October 23rd. My Scorpio's at. Or Libras, depending on, we're cusp, whatever. So, so let's get number 23. Lucky number 23. Okay, number 23 is Ghost. So, I saw someone make a Casper plushie, and I was like, that's genius. I need that. So, that would be a really cute idea. I feel like a painting would be really nice to do. I feel like painting ghosts with watercolors is always really cool looking when done right. So, can I do it right? I don't know. But, so, let's see. Ghost. It'd be cool to just like go ghost hunting. Not a craft, but still fun. It's a project, right? Kind of. So that would be cool. And let's see. I could do little crochet ghost. What else? Maybe a little ghost on a keychain would be really fun. I could do ghost garland. Why do I love garland so much? I keep on bringing them up. Those are my main ideas, but if I think of anything else, I'll come back to you, okay? Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of Ian is a Weirdo. Wow. Today we are on day 24 of 31 projects of Halloween, so I'm super excited and can't wait to see what the Great Pumpkin has in store for me, because now I don't remember any of these, so it should be exciting. Let's see. Okay, so this next one is Tomb. How to do this? Okay, so I could do a pyramid. That's a type of tomb. What other kind of tomb is there that like looks cool and looks like a tomb? Am I having a brain fart, or there's not that many types of tombs? Oh, what about the hanging tombs? I forgot exactly where they were, but I saw them on Josh Gates, and they are literally hanging. That would be cool. Be super cool. I think they're hanging mummies. Ugh, I have to check. I have to do my research before I do anything. But those are really the only two that I can think of. So sorry, this is pretty short, but maybe the next one will be a little bit more interesting.